Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're doing an unboxing of this Crux interface adapter, this wiring harness adapter made for select Ford vehicles and also fits Lincoln and Mercury from 2005 and up. This is a great kit because it allows you to keep a lot of the factory features as found in the factory unit and keep those on your aftermarket. Now this fits all kinds of Ford makes and models. We'll throw in the description here just a better reading of all the cars that this applies to. Now keep note that this is not compatible if you have the factory Sony system or THX systems installed in your vehicle. So let's go ahead and get this pulled apart and show you all that it comes with. All right. So you got your main brain box here, and then you have your main wiring harness adapter. Okay, so we have our main wiring harness here. Now there's a couple of connections here depending on what features you're trying to retain with the radio. You have your three main connectors. You have your 24 pin, your 16 pin, and your 8 pin. Now you may use all three or you may just use two of them. Some of the cool things that this retains would be your factory aux. If you wanted to retain the factory aux that's located in your new bezel, you can do so, and this would just plug into the back of the radio. This end plugs into your Crux adapter here. Now obviously these two things are not used and it's clearly labeled. And then finally here, if you have the factory subwoofer that's powered off the radio itself, you'll have that here as well. But again, we don't have the factory sub and we're not going to worry about hooking that up. So that's basically it. What you need to do with this is you wire in, and the nice thing is Crux has labeled everything here, but you match these colors up to your chosen aftermarket radio's colors, stripping both ends. We like to solder and use heat shrink here, and then essentially that's about it besides plugging in your harness module. This will go right into the car. One end plugs into the factory harnesses, the other end into your chosen radio. Now finally here, just looking at the instructions that come with it, it does identify what color does what to plug in where, and if you have rear seat entertainment, also has information regarding the rear speaker audio cuts. Now if you want to see us wire this up and put it to the test, we'll actually have a link in the description of a Ford F-150 that we used this on. Also, if you want more information on just general wiring harness adapters and how to use them, we'll have another link down in the description as well as in the card above on how to wire up an aftermarket radio harness. That's about it for this quick little unboxing here. If you have any questions on this Crux adapter, always check with the manufacturer website. Their website is cruxinterfacing.com. Throw a comment down below, hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.